So by now you've heard about this unprecedented cold air that's headed into the eastern US starting Monday into Tuesday and also on Wednesday. But why is this happening? And this is really interesting. Take a look around Greenland and the Arctic. We have very warm air. We call this Arctic amplification. During this time of year, sea ice is at its natural yearly low because we've just come off the summer. And sea ice is getting less and less and less because of all the warming that's happening in the Arctic. The Arctic is warming at 3 to 4 times the pace of the rest of the Earth, and it's all due to global warming. So, what we end up with is very, very warm instances and times in the Arctic. And this is one of those instances where air temperatures are like 30 plus degrees Fahrenheit above normal. So while these blocks that develop may not be caused by climate change, they're likely spiked, enhanced, and amplified by climate change. And now we have this big blocking scenario all the way from Europe, straight across the North Atlantic, and all the way into Canada. This is actually going to be growing and expanding over the next few days and kind of forcing out the polar vortex, literally displacing it further to the south. So all the cold air that's been building across Canada and Hudson Bay is going to be forced right down the Appalachian Trail into the southeast and into Florida. And we're going to see unprecedented record cold temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday morning as far south as the southeast and Florida as well. Now, again, this blocking does happen from time to time. It happens several times a winter. And when it does happen, it displaces these polar vortexes towards the south. The real question mark is how much does climate change contribute to this? Does climate change have a hand in actually setting up the pattern, or is it all done by natural oscillations? We have all these natural oscillations on Earth, and they're all interacting with each other, and sometimes this is the result of it. But when you have all this warming, and this Arctic amplification, you undoubtedly make these heat blocks even stronger than they would otherwise be, and that forces these cold air outbreaks south from time to time. I'm Chief Meteorologist and Climate Specialist Jeff Berardelli, also known as the Weather Professor.